welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you how to factory reset your Samsung phone when it is locked. You have forgotten your pattern, pin or password. Then in that case how you are going to unlock it via factory reset mode. So if your phone is unlocked, then just go to the setting, choose general management, tap reset, tap factory reset, and you will do this factory reset. But if it is locked, then this is the big problem, because you have not access to go into the setting. Then what will you do? You have also forgotten your pin, pattern, lock or password. Then in that case, what I am going to help you, I am going to tell you the 3-4 methods. You have to go through that step by step, and in the end you will do to unlock your phone via factory reset. So the first method is Samsung Find My Mobile feature. Means suppose you have locked your Samsung phone just like that, and after that you have not able to just you've forgotten this. So the first thing is this: if it is enabled, fingerprint is enabled, just touch it and your phone will be unlocked. If it is not enabled, in that case you have to factory reset your mobile. So first thing I have told you, Samsung Find My Mobile feature. Your phone is locked, and then you need to go to some neighborhood PC. Just open Google Chrome. Here search Samsung Find My Phone. Just tap on the first, and here it will already because I have already logged in. It will ask for your Samsung username and password. Enter those, and after that this screen will come. From here you can find your phone. You can erase data. As soon as you will touch this, tap this, it will ask some authentication, and if you have done that, the data will be erased. And after that, when you will switch on, then it will just like a new phone. You have to enter your Samsung account login password or Google login password, whatever you choose. But remember, you have the complete setup backup of your data, so that you can restore your data. After that, the data will be lost. The second method was Google Find My Device. Just go to the here and search Google Find My Device. Go to the Find My Device. It will go here. It will go directly to the this will come. If it will ask for your Google email ID and password. That email ID you are entering into your phone, that email ID must to log in and to find this Find My Device services activated. From here you will here factory reset device. It will prompt some precautions, and after that you can erase data. And after that, if you will switch on your mobile, it will be completely new mobile. You have to enter all the data. You have if you have backed up all the data, you will reload all the data. So this was the second. And the third thing is hardware reset. I will tell you. Suppose I will switch off. What will happen? If it is locked, you will not able to switch off your mobile too. Then with the help of power key and volume minus key, just keep it pressed for some seconds it will shut down, and after that some seconds just press this power off and this plus button and see what will happen. Wait for some time. Yes, it has entered into the recovery mode. Then with the help of these plus minus key, just go wipe data, factory reset, and then with the help of this power on, just select it and then go factory data reset. I will not do that. So this was the cancel, and I will reboot system now. So this was the 3 methods by which you can factory reset your mobile even if it is locked, you have forgotten your pattern lock or pin. So if you find this video useful, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.